Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for March 26th, 2024. What's this about? Rebalancing. Yep, I did a YouTube video for the Twitter feed. Just a 1-minute video about this. And I want to show you what we're talking about and how we put it into practice today. So number one, because of this, about the theory about people having to sell stocks and buy bonds, well, you got the bonds closing on the high, and yet the SPX get torched at the end of the day. A lot of people made some good money in that. Very exciting. So what else are we showing? Why am I showing this kind of thing? Well, on the left is the SPX, and that's what it looks like for the quarter. Then on the right, I'm going to unlink it and put the bond market, and you'll see the bond market for the quarter has been straight down, right there where the arrow is. So the theory is that this means that 50-50 funds, I know I've mentioned it before, but there's a big reason why I'm showing it now. Number one, this disparity is gigantic. One of the biggest I've seen in 7 years. When it's happened before, the markets have gotten toasted, and I'll show you that. But theoretically, this means that hedge fund managers and mutual funds are long too much stock relative to bonds. Now, what stocks are they long? Yeah, the big old winners. So our theory was to take this on the left. These are the stocks that are up the most for the quarter, up at least 20%. And check out what they did today. I'm going to put on the left an hourly chart of Broadcom, and on the right I'm going to put a 5-minute. This is a beautiful thing if you're short. There's Broadcom. There's SMCI. There's AMD. There's Meta, which really got hit. Holy cow, that really got hit. Microsoft, Nvidia, everyone. All the biggies got nailed today. Now, that doesn't mean they're going to be nailed next week, but this just all has to do with some kind of rebalance in here and them selling the big stocks. So just keep that in mind. Now, the next thing is, I thought I'd show you what happened last time you had this big a disparity. So here's the SPX on the left and the long-term bond on the right. Like I said, look at this old divergence, big old divergence. Last time I saw it for the quarter, this much of a divergence was in 2016. So we're going to use the rewind function in Thinkorswim. We're going to go back to the end of the year on 2016. These are the arrows. Yep, the bond market, beginning of the quarter, got toasted. Look at that over here. Look how it got toasted. Well, the stock market at first went down, but net from here to there is a big old move. Big old move right here. So now go to the end of the year. And now we're going to put in hourly charts. And I want to show you what happened. I think it's magical. So what are we talking about? We're talking about the end of the year, like starting on Wednesday. It usually starts on a Wednesday. The S&P went straight down. Look at that, straight down. But the bond market went straight up. That's not a coincidence. So now you're asking, well, is that done? Well, this went on till the very end of the year. So we have Good Friday on Friday. It's going to be thin tomorrow and Thursday. I would expect tomorrow is that we could get more weakness because that's the more liquid day. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some of these stocks get down to their support. Keep in mind, Meta is near support. Near support. How about Nvidia? So I'm just taking an hour and a 15-minute chart. Nvidia is near support. That 920. How about SMCI? That's not a pretty picture. SMCI, the support's here at 983. So some of these could have a lot farther down to go. It should be exciting tomorrow. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.